Start.
Go.
What's up, on B?
Wait, I'm sorry. Sorry, it's just your mom again. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Dude,
oh no, I'm sorry, it's your girl.
Can't you like set it on 5A when we're doing this stuff?
Sorry, it's your girlfriend. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Sorry. Wait, okay. Alright, we're good. Go ahead.
You're an idiot. What's up? I'm Ev. Wait, Chris.
What?
Over here.
I'm aiming at
Chris,
you.
no, I'm over here. Chris. Oh, here you go.
Oh,
Ev.
well, the monkey looked like... Never mind.
That's not nice. Well,
Go.
I'm Ev. This is S. Hey, guys.
He's cooler. Okay. Burger.
Hey, I'm Chris. Yeah, you know, from Beam Productions, of course. What I have today is the epic fails. In the next clip we'll have all the rest, except Nick. Tragedy. No, just kidding, he'll probably be here next week or the other. Nick's usually busy. But anyways, here are the epic fails.
Who's
Go.
358305977? Hey, yeah, Chris, I'm just calling you.
Yeah, that first one, yeah. If you know me, I have a problem with swamp monsters and buffaloes. Again, you can see that I'm like totally freaking out. The first time, I was actually scared.
Who's
Go.
358305977? Hey, yeah, Chris, I'm just...
Headless buffalo. I mean, I'm honestly really afraid of buffaloes themselves, but a headless buffalo, I mean, was the worst nightmare I could ever possibly imagine. Could be worse though, could be a swamp monster buffalo. And, yeah. Well, here's the next one.
God damn it. What the hell, you little punk, is my call?
That one was actually pretty funny. I mean, there's gotta be a few people out there getting a good laugh out of it because, I mean, he was typing into the he was typing it. He was like pressing every button, nothing was working. I happened to walk up, press 2 simple buttons, and it comes down and get down. And then he tackles me. I mean, come on. It was... I mean, I don't remember what it was. It was probably one of those little candies. You know, 75 cents. Unbelievable.
Hey, let me super jump. Yeah.
Yeah. Help me, Kelly. No.
Okay. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none.
What are you doing?
And this little piggy went home.
Okay. Well, I don't understand why, well, she had to do that. I mean, come on, I'm all trying to be all parkour.
Hey, let me super jump. Yeah.
It didn't happen so well. I mean, I was almost up, and I'm holding on my grip, and then all of a sudden, she has to decide to go. Well, this little piggy has to go. Well, this little piggy has to go that way, and this I don't know how it goes, but you know, I'm just saying. Why?
Went home.
Can a guy just climb? Well, what's up? On to the top 5 apps.
Chris?
Top 5 apps, Angry Birds.
Of course.
Having a hard time today remembering things.
Fruit Ninja.
Yeah, Angry Birds, Fruit Ninjas, Trenches, Cat DJ, and Cut the Rope. Songs, Grenade by Bruno Mars, Black and Yellow, Wiz Khalifa, some Iranian guy. Like I said last time, no idea.
He's black.
Well, I don't know. Well, yeah, they all sound Asian to me.
Sorry.
Again with this.
Sorry. I'm sorry. It's just
Sorry.
go on.
I'm not comfortable, guys. Sorry.
Hurry up.
No time for that. Okay, anyways. Hold It Against Me by Britney Spears. Fireworks, Katy Perry. The Time by Black Eyed Peas. Dumb Sports and PS3.
The sports, the only games that have been going on was the Pro Bowl on Sunday, and if anybody watched it, those streakers were pretty funny. That was pretty cool. But the NFC won 55, and then AFC 41. Yeah. And then the PS3 games are Dead Space 2. What was it again?
I don't know.
Marvel vs. Capcom, DC Universe Online, Gran Turismo 5, and Call of Duty Black Ops. Which rules. I got to level 18 by myself on zombies, so.
Total zombie master right here. Yeah, beat that, Tristan, Nick, your Xbox loving friends.
Xbox stuff.
Yeah, and you should be here, you moron. Anyways.
Sorry.
Of the week. For top number 1 is New Super Mario Bros, which is really old. Number 2 is Monster Hunt. Number 3 is Hershey, no Kirby, something like that. I don't know. Then number 4 is COD Black Ops. Oh, Call of Duty Black Ops. I knew that.
Said that last time.
And then 5 is Super Smash Bros. And the movies are The Right. That's number 1. Number 2 is No Strings Attached. Number 3 is The Mechanic. Number 4 is The Green Hornet. And number 5, The King's Speech. On to my little brother with the Xbox games. Nick, that should be you.
He's he's the Wii.
Slacker.
He looks like a Wii. Okay, for the Xbox, the first one is Dead Space
25.
25.
No.
25.
Dead Space 2, that's number 5.
Oh.
Dead Space 2.
Dead Space 2. Then number 2 is Call of Duty Black Ops. Holy crap!
Call of Duty Black Ops. 2 Worlds 2.
That's number 5. Number 4, 3. Dude, I can't read the handwriting.
Okay, number 4 is Fallout New Vegas.
I mean, this is why they have English. Anyways.
Read the last one.
And the 5th one.
He's failing Spanish class.
No, I'm not.
Work on the... Did you finish it?
That's just sad.
Well, anyways, he finished it, I guess. Anyways, I guess I heard the Xbox and the PS3 and both have the best games. Dead Space seems to be...
Sorry, girlfriend again.
Hey, she's not yours.
I'm gonna shoot you. Anyways, seems like Dead Space and Modern Warfare 2 seem to be the top out of every system.
Black Ops.
So you, out of those other countries that hate it, out of those countries that hate it, too bad for you, because those are the best in America. And well, you know, America.
USA.
USA. Oh.
And
Mexico, sure, yeah.
Hell so yeah. Oh.
Dude.
See you next week.